Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if Etsy shows the come back later message, it usually means your activity was temporarily limited due to security checks, too many requests, or unusual account behavior. The restrictions is normally temporary and can be resolved easily. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to fix the come back later error on Etsy in 2026 safely and correctly. So first thing first, stop trying immediately. So the most important step, stop refreshing or retrying. Wait 15 to 60 minutes and access usually restores automatically. Okay, so we have to know that continuous attempts reset the timer. Okay, you can also log out and close Etsy. So log out if possible. After that, close Etsy app like this and wait several minutes. After that, reopen Etsy, okay, as normal. You can also disable VPN or proxy. So shared IP addresses often trigger restrictions. So before retrying, turn off VPN, disable proxy tools, use normal home internet. Okay, so try accessing Etsy again. Okay, you can also change internet connection. So your current IP may be temporarily limited. Try switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restart router, use another trusted network. Okay, and after that, reload Etsy. Okay, you can also wait longer if needed. So if restriction continues, wait for 2 hours up to 24 hours without logging in repeatedly. Okay, so security limits expire automatically when you do that. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.